In Utkatasana, you get your feet across, shoulder width apart, arms straight up, and try to do a half squat. Equal weight on both legs, keeping the back straight. Now this is quite difficult. Keeping the weight equally on both legs and come to a half squat and stay there. And hold the position as long as you can, relax breathing, and then return to starting position when you have managed to fulfill your personal needs. Hold as long as you can, equal weight on both legs. And return slowly to starting position. Now we will do variation number 1. That was Utkatasana. This is Utkatasana now with arms straight up, feet position the same, but in this case the back is bent a little bit forward. So you do a squat again and you bend your trunk forward a little bit. And that puts a different strain and different groups of muscles are working. It's not as easy as it looks. The arms have to be in line with the trunk. Hold as long as you can, equal weight on both feet, and then slowly return to starting position. Now the next one is a little bit harder again, where you're going to do it on your toes. Starting position, feet together, feet apart, arms up, stretch up on your toes, and then you do a squat. You're squatting on your toes. That's quite difficult. And you keep your back straight. Do not angle it forward. You can find that Vaishali here is struggling a little bit because it's hard. She can lean forward to make it easier from the trunk with the arms straight and hold as long as she can. And then when she is ready, she can come back up. That is Utkatasana 1, 2 and 3.